Okay, this is my first delivery from Rock Auto. I think I've ordered before from them, but this is the first time I ordered a major part like an alternator, delivered by FedEx ground, and that's what it is. I ordered an alternator and for my car, as well as a voltage regulator. In case I just need the voltage regulator, I can return the alternator. Seems to be pretty well packed and all that. So let's take a look. We'll get a pair of scissors maybe really quickly. Okay, so let's take a look. It's supposed to be a Bosch alternator. Seems to be well packed. Yeah, it's a Bosch alternator and voltage regulator. Okay, there we go. Actually, it's a Wemo voltage regulator and Bosch alternator. Yeah, seems to be well packed. Comes with a nice packing list, invoice, and things. And let's see what else. That's another packing slip. And what up here? It's a magnet, refrigerator magnet. And what is this? This is just a seal, I guess, the check seal. I guess it's the original packing of the alternator. So that's good. It's pretty heavy. And then this is the voltage regulator, just a protective sleeve, I think. I guess these tend to wear out in the alternator. So we'll see if the alternator, this actually screws on to the alternator. So in my old alternators, we'll see if this is the problem or if it's the alternator itself that's bad. But essentially that's that. Let's open this. That's the part number. This is supposed to be I think N is supposed to be a new part, and X, the X at the end would have been a refurbished. Not sure how this opens. Basically, yeah, I think this opens from here. Just that's the new alternator. It's pretty heavy actually. And to get to the voltage regulator, you have to remove this from the old alternator, and this is actually what plugs in like this. It goes like this. So if I just needed this voltage regulator, I could just use this. Otherwise I could use the entire assembly with the alternator and the voltage regulator that's here.